Imagine biting into a fresh, fluffy, and cheesy flatbread that's lower in carbs and higher in protein than your average flatbread. Today, imagine no further. This low-carb cottage cheese flatbread is your new secret weapon for enjoying bread that is filled with healthy fats and protein, not with processed ingredients or sugar. It's also really easy to make as we're blending all of our ingredients together and then baking it on a baking pan. Simple as that. Here's the recipe. Start with a blender jar or food processor container, which will add all of our ingredients in. Add 1 cup of 4% milk fat cottage cheese. You could use fat-free cottage cheese, but it might end up thinner, flatter, and a bit more brittle, so I would stick to higher fat cottage cheese if possible. Add half a cup or 4 large egg whites. Add 3/4 cup of almond flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. For our seasonings, we're using half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Place the cover on your blender or food processor. Then blend everything together until you have a smooth mixture. It should only take a couple of minutes for you to have a slightly thicker milk-like consistency to it. Preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a baking sheet on your table and then line it with some parchment paper or foil. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your blended mixture onto the baking sheet so it's in the shape of a flatbread. Bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 to 35 minutes, check up on it and then remove it from the oven. Then you're set to enjoy your low-carb cottage cheese flatbread. I'm planning to make a sandwich with mine, and here's what I'll be using. I'll be adding some lettuce, tomato, onion slices, sliced ham, and a drizzle of sriracha sauce on top. Then fold everything together until you have your sandwich. It might crack a little bit, but it should still hold up its shape well. And then you have a fresh and delicious sandwich to split with somebody else or save for later. You could also cut it further in half and save the rest for later. This recipe is flexible with many possibilities for you to use your low-carb cottage cheese flatbread with. Swap out the sandwich toppings for other toppings. Create a breakfast wrap with scrambled eggs, avocado, and salsa on top of it, or simply spread some peanut butter and jelly on top of it. If this video does well and you'd like to see me create some variations using this recipe, please let me know. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.